Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Stellar Lumens XLM. So we see it right now at about 66 cents, about a 3.92% decrease. Do remember that's because we're coming off of this high increase of about 0.7. Now we're decreasing down to about 66 cents, and we're obviously going to have a small decrease there. But if we take a look at the last week, it's pretty even. We've pretty much stabilized. We've gone from huge dips down to, up to, I guess, 79 cents, about 80 cents from about 55 cents. So just crazy movement with Stellar Lumens XLM in the last couple of days and weeks. I do want to talk about where we see Stellar Lumens by the end of the month. By the end of May, June, and 2021 is the price predictions we're going to be covering today. We will be giving you guys those price predictions at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. I do want to say, guys, as well, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. To start this video out, though, I do want to talk about the $15.4 billion market cap and $3 billion volume in the last 24 hours. That is a great looking market cap as well as volume. I think there's a lot of growth opportunity when it comes to that $15.4 billion in the market cap, as well as the volume actually being fairly high for that kind of market cap. If we take a look at the last, I guess, the prices, if we go to the top market caps right now, we obviously see XRP, one of the competitors of Stellar Lumens, at $56.8 billion. We are currently at $15.4 billion. That means, there's a lot of room for growth there, and Stellar Lumens is not, in my opinion, much worse, if at worse at all, to XRP. So it's very interesting to see XRP so much higher than Stellar Lumens. I do think we are going to continue to see both of them do very well, but I think Stellar Lumens has a lot of room to make up. It's a coin that really, like I said, it comes second to XRP some reason, and a lot of people are really trying to dig deeper into that and try to really invest into Stellar Lumens XLM because they believe it can do the same thing that XRP can. So it's very interesting. It's great to have good competitors like this really push both projects to do great things. We see, like I said, a great growth in the last month alone. If we take a look at the last year, this is where you actually see some of the best charting I've seen in any crypto. It's just one of the, like I said, one of the healthiest charts I've seen. You go, after increase, you have a good stabilization or consolidation point for pretty much every increase. This time, there's a couple times, obviously, we decreased a little bit more than I would have liked to see, but for the most part, this is one of the healthiest charts I've seen in crypto, and I'm very excited to continue to see Stellar Lumens increase. XLM is definitely a coin worth looking into if you haven't already looked into it or added it to your maybe watch list or wait list to see if you can get a good entry point. It's not a bad entry point right now at 66 cents. I think we continue to see this coin climb very rapidly, and I want to talk about some of the news and information coming with Stellar Lumens today. But if you guys have not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video, as we talk about Stellar Lumens on the channel probably about every other day or so. So make sure to quickly subscribe, and like I said, turn notifications on. If we go down to Stellar Lumens, if you guys don't know what it is, Stellar's cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen XLM, powers the Stellar payment network. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. So it's great to see, obviously, a coin that does so. And we jump into some of the news. Obviously, this was about 2 weeks ago or so, and all my other news is more recent, but I want to take a look at this. So obviously, this is a big deal. The NFT marketplace now live on Lightmint that makes use of the Stellar network. So we're starting to see NFT marketplaces take advantage of Stellar Lumens, as well as many other, marketplaces out there. So we take a look at the next tweet. It's going to say, hey, Elon Musk, Stellar Lumens XLM CO2 emissions footprint is tiny, best and more importantly proven crypto there is. So this was the chart I was looking for. I know somebody made this chart or compared it, so thank you for that, whoever did. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stellar, and Visa, obviously all up, all up here. They talk about really, what they do best, and you're seeing great stats on Stellar side, obviously, compared to, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Visa. So Stellar is a great coin with, like I said, a low CO2 emissions footprint, and you really, I guess we'll cover this in the upcoming tweets here. If we go to the next tweet, it actually kind of talks about it. So Stellar Lumen XLM is a perfect fit for Elon Musk to adopt as a cryptocurrency, low power usage, and it fits well with the space theme. So obviously, that low power usage. And then they talk about XLM is not just the best coin, it is also the greenest one. So we continue to see people talk about how green and how excellent, XLM is at really low energy costs, and that's exactly what a lot of people are looking for at this point in time. It's definitely the thing that's trending right now, is the idea of trying to get a low cost, or I guess low energy cost, a coin to really pump a lot of different things. So we'll continue to really focus on big news or really new information of Stellar XLM in the upcoming videos, because there has been quite a bit of new information to take a look at. Here we also saw that recently listed XLM for our U.S. customers. So CEX.io listed XLM for the U.S. customers, and it's great to see that, obviously, along with some other coins, some more crypto, more earning potential. To spread the news, we're giving away 2,000 XLM. Stellar is a trailblazer, agree. So this was May 17th, 2021. So if you still want to get into this giveaway, you definitely probably can do so. I would assume it's still going. I'll actually like the tweet. How about that? I'll like the tweet. And if you guys want to take a look at it, definitely jump into the description of this video. Follow me on Twitter, join the Discord. But if you follow me on Twitter, you can go to my likes and find this tweet, and then you can enter that giveaway if you'd like. So it's definitely a great opportunity for a lot of people to, get a chance at Stellar Lumens for free. And it's also a great opportunity for people to buy some Stellar Lumens on the CEX.io. So it's great to see Stellar Lumens getting more and more love out there every single day. Now I want to take a quick look at actually, it's going to be, where is it at here? Let me type it in if it's not up here. I just want to take a quick look at crypto.com, because Crypto.com is, one of those sites that does give you a great opportunity to invest in cryptocurrencies. So the world's largest, fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million plus users buying and selling 100 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. So I do have referral codes for Crypto.com, as well as some other exchanges in the below description. Make sure to take advantage of that. It has referral codes on there as well. If you want to get, some money back in return or support back in return, I get supported as you get supported. So I really would appreciate it if you guys take advantage of Crypto.com. It's in the description of the video, link provided with a referral code. So spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% cash back. And you also get, to grow your portfolio by earning up to 14% interest on your crypto assets. That's a massive amount of interest. It's a great way to, like I said, always invest. I would always suggest jumping into a bunch of different exchanges. Really take advantage of the ones you like the most. And that's exactly what you can do with Crypto.com. Buy crypto at a true cost. Buy and sell 100 plus cryptocurrencies with 20 plus fiat currencies using bank transfers from your credit or debit cards. Very, very simple, very easy to use. So definitely take advantage of that in the description of the video. Jumping into now Stellar Lumens website, this is what I was wanting to really jump into, because it talks about Stellar is an open network for storing and moving money. So borderless, limitless, and powerful. So Stellar makes it possible to create, send, and trade digital representations of all forms of money: dollars, pesos, Bitcoin, pretty much anything. So it's designed so that all the world's financial systems can work together on a single network. I won't dive too much into, what they're all capable of doing, but just know that there is a lot of projects already currently working on the Stellar Lumens platform. We have a ton of projects here listed, about 6 pages worth of projects, and they're all doing fairly well. Obviously, utilizing that Stellar Lumens, supporting Stellar Lumens in a way, and that's exactly what we'd like to see. So going back to the Stellar Lumens website, or not the website, but the listing, we can actually see that Stellar Lumens right now is actually on a fairly steep cliff. It looks like we're falling off a little bit here. We have the 6% decrease in the last 24 hours. I do think we are going to see Stellar Lumens struggle just a little bit, because you do have to remember we've had a great last year alone, 845% increase. I do think, with this, how healthy this price chart really is, there shouldn't be much worry quite yet. As once we break some kind of support or resistance, that's where we can start kind of starting to get a little worried, or maybe double down on a good entry point. That's stuff that you can always take advantage of. But like I said, guys, not much to be worried about quite yet. If we take a look at the prices all around the cryptoverse, the market was up about 2 to 3% this morning. So now we're already at 0.14. So pretty much the market's going red again, and that's going to obviously affect things like Stellar Lumens in a bad, negative way. So do suspect that, or I guess expect that Stellar Lumens is going to decrease pretty good amount here in the next couple hours or so. So I do think, like I said, Stellar Lumens has a great, great positive outlook in the next month, or, 2 months and year alone. So we'll talk about that right now. So by the end of May, where do we suspect Stellar Lumens will end up? Well, with the current price, we went all the way up to about 79 to 80 cents. I do think actually around $1 is possible for the end of May. I'm going to realistically say, though, guys, 80 cents to $1. If we can stabilize in that area or that range by the end of May, that would be great. Obviously, May is going to be a struggle of a month for a lot of people. We see that currently taking place with obviously the crypto market kind of taking massive dips, throughout the days. So I think May, if we could get between 80 cents to $1, that would be a great look for Stellar Lumens XLM. Going into the end of June, I think, if we could just get above about $1.25, $1.25 should be our price target by the end of June. If Stellar Lumens can do that, we are going to see at least a 2x from this current price point. So it's just a great opportunity for a lot of people to buy in at a great price with these market dips. Going into the end of 2021, I do think Stellar Lumens will continue to do do very, very well. I think by the end of the year, we could easily see Stellar Lumens right between $3 to $5. It's definitely a price point that I could see it at. It's a coin that definitely needs to, it needs to keep this volume, because this volume is very, very important, obviously, to keep that market cap where it's at. Obviously, the volume dropping will cause the market cap to drop, and really at that point, that's when we start to see some major decreases. So we'll continue to see if that volume holds, and if it does, $3 to $5 by the end of the year is my price prediction. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for Stellar Lumens XLM. We talk about Stellar a lot because I think it's a coin that has a lot of potential long term. It's a coin that I like to talk about. So thank you guys so much again. Subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one.